Hi gorgeous! Today we are going to blend her natural dark root into ashy dark brown hair color. Take a look at her root. We can see that her natural black hair has growing up more than 2 inches. However, we don't want to bleach her hair root this time. We will do your color melt without using bleach and show you how to using the K18 Hair Pro treatment in the salon version at the same times. First, spray the K18 Hair Peptide Prep with a blue trigger as you see. Make sure to shake it well before use it. You don't need to rinse it out, just wait for 4 minutes, then spray the K18 Hair Mist yellow trigger. It helps prevent new damage during and after the service and give a visual in just 4 minutes so you are ready to move into coloring. Now, let me explain what color we will mix for her hair. For the root, we will mix 6A Dark Ashy Blonde and 6AA Dark Intense Ashy Blonde from Pravana in 1:1 ratio with 15 volume developers. For the rest of the hair, we will mix 6A Dark Ash Blonde and 7AA Intense Ashy Blonde from Pravana in same ratio with a 6 volume developer. Since the ends are already bleached, we only needed to deposit hair color, so we are using less than 10 volume for that. The point is that we have to apply the product at least 1 inch away from the root since we use the 15 volume developer for the root. As a body heat lifts the hair color faster. Finally, apply 1 to 3 pumps of the K18 Hair Pro Mask, depending on the client's hair length and density. Apply it with your hands or brush, then wait just for 4 minutes. Followed by Arinco Chiffon Style Mousse for body and texture. Shake it well and apply near the root area, helps creative body and fullness. And finally, some expensive hair oil from K18 Hair to her hair once it's dry. Look at this beautiful ash dark brown hair color. Absolutely love this gorgeous blend. It creates seamless and dimension look. This is before her hair had obvious brassy and warm and yellow. And this is after 2.5 hours with Sohea. Love this natural ash dark brown hair color. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching it.